My name is Elizabeth Fizeme. I am Vice President of ADB.
My name is John Gomes. I'm the co-president of ADB. Advancement of diversity in business, it sort of says it within the name. Specifically within Isenberg, we're trying to find students from underrepresented communities to sort of seal them with job opportunities post-graduation, as well as internships and co-op opportunities, and we bring in different companies and host other events so we can sort of create a comfortable environment.
We feel like it's the perfect place for diverse students to come together, share their experiences, and work on academic excellence.
So weekly we'll have either a guest speaker or we'll host our own event, but regarding guest speakers, we have companies come in such as Travelers Insurance, PricewaterhouseCoopers, the rest of the Big Four accounting firms, a lot of other top-tier firms from the Fortune 500. I feel like we just sort of have so many that are sort of willing to come and contribute to our mission, help out our students, and create a genuine relationship.
I did really enjoy the panel that I had with my current company. Because of somebody that was on the panel, I felt like I could have made a genuine connection with him. I kept his contact, and then when it came to my interview with EY, I was able to reach out to him.
For myself, I think my favorite meeting was an event called A Real Talk. So it was sort of just a safe space for all of us to sort of come in and talk about our experience in Isenberg, our experience maybe as a person of color at navigating the business world and things like that. So one piece of advice that I'd have for new Isenberg students is try to get involved as possible within student organizations, within Isenberg, obviously. I think by doing that, you'll be able to find a community where you're comfortable operating in. You'll be able to find some certain job opportunities. By joining a bunch of different clubs, I figured out what I like and maybe what I don't like. And then I finally found ADB, and I just realized that was sort of the perfect match for me, and it was able to sort of excel me into my or advance me into the career that I'm pursuing now.
I would say start early, don't be intimidated, and be confident.